What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from India.
How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
What school do you go to?
I go to Green Park School.
What grade are you in?
I'm in grade 5.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I do.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Lily.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What is your favorite food?
I like pizza.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
What's your father's name?
His name is David.
What's your mother's name?
Her name is Anna.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
What is your favorite animal?
I like cats.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a doctor.
What time do you get up?
I get up at 7 a.m.
Do you brush your teeth every day?
Yes, I do.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast.
Do you go to school by bus?
Yes, I do.
What time does school start?
It starts at 8 a.m.
What time does school end?
It ends at 2 p.m.
What do you do after school?
I do my homework.
What time do you eat dinner?
I eat dinner at 7 p.m.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Yes, I do.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9 p.m.
Do you help your parents at home?
Yes, I help them.
What do you do on weekends?
I play with my friends.
Do you like playing outside?
Yes, I love it.
Do you take a shower every day?
Yes, I do.
Do you clean your room?
Sometimes.
What time is it now?
It's 3 o'clock.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I do.
Do you play video games?
Sometimes.
Do you ride a bike?
Yes, I do.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Do you like apples?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite fruit?
I like bananas.
Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, I do.
Do you drink milk?
Yes, every day.
What is your favorite drink?
I like orange juice.
What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice and chicken.
Do you eat fast food?
Sometimes.
Where do you buy food?
At the supermarket.
Do you go shopping with your mom?
Yes, I do.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, very much.
Do you cook at home?
No, my mom cooks.
What's your favorite restaurant?
Pizza Hut.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I do.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I do.
What food don't you like?
I don't like onions.
What's your favorite snack?
Chips.
Do you eat meat?
Yes, I do.
Do you eat fish?
Sometimes.
What do you drink with dinner?
Water.
What do you eat when you are hungry?
I eat fruit or bread.
Where do you live?
I live in Seoul.
Is your house big?
No, it's small.
What is your address?
10 Park Street.
Do you live in a city or village?
I live in a city.
Do you like your neighborhood?
Yes, I do.
What can you see in your town?
I can see shops and parks.
Do you go to the park?
Yes, often.
What do you do at the park?
I play and run.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love it.
Do you travel with your family?
Yes, on holidays.
Where do you go on holidays?
We go to the mountains.
Do you take the bus or the train?
We take the bus.
Do you visit your grandparents?
Yes, every weekend.
What do you do at your grandparents' house?
I play and eat cookies.
Is your school near your home?
Yes, it is.
How do you go to school?
I walk.
What places do you like to visit?
I like the zoo.
Do you like animals at the zoo?
Yes, especially lions.
Do you go to the library?
Yes, to read books.
Do you go to the cinema?
Sometimes, with my parents.
What do you do in your free time?
I read and draw.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite sport?
I like soccer.
Do you play soccer?
Yes, with my friends.
Do you swim?
Yes, I do.
Can you dance?
A little.
Do you sing?
Yes, I like singing.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the piano.
Do you watch cartoons?
Yes, every day.
What's your favorite cartoon?
I like Peppa Pig.
Do you paint pictures?
Yes, I do.
Do you go to art class?
Yes, on Saturday.
Do you like drawing?
Yes, I love it.
Do you play with toys?
Yes, with my brother.
Do you have a hobby?
Yes, I like reading.
Do you like puzzles?
Yes, they are fun.
Do you like reading comics?
Yes, very much.
What do you do when it rains?
I stay inside and play.
What do you do in summer?
I go swimming.
Do you like holidays?
Yes, I love holidays.